Guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And if you're seeing the channel for the first time, special welcome to you. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to quickly insert a clip between clips in DaVinci Resolve. Now, as you can see here, guys, I have a video clip here on my DaVinci Resolve. And this clip is currently split. As you can see here, the clip is split. And I can simply go ahead and move the clip here. As you can see, it is split, right? So let's say you want to insert a clip there. You want to ensure that you put your cursor between where the clip is split. And if you're, let's say, in front of the clip, you can simply press the up key to go back to that split. But the most important thing is that you find that split and you put your cursor in between the split. Now, ensure that you go to your media pool. So in case you're somewhere else like, effects or index or zone library, go to the media pool and you want to find that video clip that you want to insert. So you want to find it. So let's say I want to insert this test clip here. I can simply go ahead and click the clip and just drag that clip onto the preview pane. As you can see, the preview window here. And once you drag that clip onto the preview pane or preview window, you realize that the option appeared. Let me move it off. You see that it disappeared. When I drag it onto it, it pulls up an option on the right hand side and immediately it highlights override. But I don't want to override it. So I just need to go across and go up into where it says insert by moving the video up there while still clicking on it. And then you can see that it highlights the insert. Then just simply let go. And that video is insert in between the clips. Oh, amazing is that? Simple cool, right? It's simply cool. So this is a quick trick, a quick tip on how to insert a video clip quickly in between other video clips in DaVinci Resolve 19. Here you have it, guys. I really hope you found value within this video. And if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.